This is that kind of close quarters battle, if you will. Up close, squirrel in a tree, rabbit hanging in the low brush, not moving. It's blunt force trauma. It's quick. More importantly, 20 minutes to make. I'm gonna get some squirrels. Let's see. Let's split. Nice. And you got two of them, which is even better. We got one, what I call a bow tie throw stick. Comes from a straight stick. You give the ends a little bit of a taper and you give a little bit of a cut out in the middle. I don't know if this throwing stick is in any sort of archaeological record, but it's a throw stick that I make when I have straight pieces of wood. Give it a little bit of a shape, take a little bit out of the middle, and it gives it a little bit of a pivot point. This is your survival throw stick. Yes, you could pick up a stick. You can throw it. If you give yourself a little bit of an aerodynamic flight, rounded top with the smooth bottom, your stick's gonna go a little bit farther. It's gonna have more of an impact. It flies pretty decent. 10, 15 yards is what I'm looking, because what I'm going for is in all these trees over here. That's where all the squirrels are. I need something that I can get up into the trees. So let's do a little practice in the trees. Now, one thing you're probably noticing when I'm throwing is compared to when I was in the flat terrain, I was throwing it flat with the sidearm. For this, I'm throwing it like a tomahawk. I need to break through the branches. I can mix up the throws, but I'm gonna go for the most impact on the target. That's why you build two. You lose them, you break them, they get stuck in a tree. This is that small game hunter. Rabbits, close proximity, squirrels hanging out on a branch, even a bird sitting up on a tree, grouse sunning itself. Quick throw. So bottom line, throw sticks, essential. It is really your first crafting of tools when it comes to survival. If you're looking to take game, all those things that kind of sit and stay in a place is definitely going to give you that advantage. More importantly, you could take it from a piece of straight wood. You could spend hours looking for that perfectly bent piece and then shape it into that really kind of impact throwing stick. But straight pieces are more common. That you create the pattern, you create the shape, create that little bit of cutout, that pivot point. When it comes to survival, create your throwing sticks first. You could be out setting traps, you could be out doing any number of things, throwing a hand line, building a shelter, but if you got this shoved down the back of your pants, a squirrel pops up, a rabbit pops up, a grouse, you name it, it's a quick employment tool. It is a handheld projectile, a wooden projectile that will definitely keep you fed. All right, appreciate you watching. See you in the bush.